Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Thursday, December the 3rd, 2015. In the news today, we have Microsoft that has released a end-of-line date for Windows 10 Mobile. So if you have a mobile device that's upgraded to Windows 10, Microsoft did say that 2018 will be the end of the line for that operating system. They will stop issuing updates. Doesn't mean your device will stop working, but they just will stop issuing updates and basically keeping the security features up to date on that Windows 10 mobile version. So it's going to be interesting to see what does it mean in 2018. There's going to be something else, or they just don't plan very far ahead because they're not sure what they're going to do with the mobile market. That's going to be something to look for. Bing has released the search of the top 10 searches for 2015. Two types of trends and of searches. The first 10 is searches for, kind of serious subject matters. And so the top 10 are number 10 is discoveries on Pluto and Mars. Number 9 is Ashley Madison Act data leaked. 8 is Planned Parenthood faces potential debunking. 7 is U.S.-Cuba relations restored. 6 is wildfires and drought devastate. 5 is Germanwings 9525 crash. 4 is snowstorm buries northeast U.S. 3 is earthquake in Nepal. 2 is the EU refugee crisis. And 1 is Paris attacks and the threat of ISIS. And on the strange but true side of what people are also searching, number 10, spiders rain from sky. Number 9, pizza rat. Number 8, stowaway cat survives flight on plane's wing. 7, Kermit-like frog discovered. 6, Goliath fish caught by kayaker. 5 is huge gold nugget discovered in China. 4 is rare fawn raised by humans. 3 is the dress debate. 2 is man as surgery to remove car part 51 years later. And 1 is Hulk the Pit Bull challenges views. It was hard to mention all 10 of those without laughing somehow. So these are the trends according to Bing Search for 2015. Windows 10 Insider Preview. It's interesting. We have no news of any Insider Previews right now. We kind of had, Mary Jo Foley of All About Microsoft did kind of hint that she thought a preview would be released before the end of the year. With one of the features that people were waiting for on Microsoft Edge, which is the add-ons. But no news. Gabe Hall doesn't say anything on Twitter, and even Mary Jo Foley on the Windows Weekly show was saying that she's kind of a little surprised that we're getting no news at all about insider previews. So will we have an insider preview in December, or maybe Microsoft will wait for January to start issuing new insider previews? That we're not really sure yet, but keep a lookout. I usually at least turn on my insider machine once a day to check out the different Windows updates to make sure that let's see if there's a preview or not. But nothing yet has appeared. YouTube Red, that has launched to the United States about a month ago, has announced that they will actually be in direct competition with Netflix, basically. They want to have movies and TV shows streamed for all YouTube Red subscribers. So it's kind of a Netflix-like system here with YouTube. So that's going to be interesting to see, and it's probably going to hit pretty hard a lot of the, big gun like Netflix in streaming, movies and TV shows, because YouTube is used a lot by a lot of people. So if they add these capabilities, and they just add that, they add the fact that when you're subscribed, there's no more ads on your YouTube videos. That's kind of interesting. And it also adds a music service. So it's a very big service that's for $10 a month. It's going to be interesting to see how this goes with competition as we go into 2016. Malwarebytes has issued a warning saying that many of the most popular porn sites have a exploit that can be installed on your machine, giving you malware. Here's an example of Xamster, which is one of the popular porn sites, basically. And Malwarebytes says it started on November 21st, and it's spreading on a lot of porn websites. So if you do consume that type of content, be very careful, as these sites are always, since the beginning of the internet, porn sites have always been the worst sites to get, malware and viruses on your computer. So it's always been very delicate to go there. And as a tech guy, I can tell you I've fixed a lot of computers with malware because of that. And last, we have a cumulative update that appeared yesterday, December 2nd, for Windows 10 version 15.11. So you need to have the November update installed. And it is a cumulative update KB3116908. I've installed it and actually made a little video to warn everybody about this update. And of course, like always, for Windows 10, not a lot of news, so we don't really know what it fixes or changes in Windows 10. But if you haven't done so, why not go and check out your Windows updates for this update. So this was the tech news for Thursday, December 3rd, 2015. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. If you have any comments, suggestions, maybe you have a YouTube video that you'd like me to make about a Windows 10 feature, let us know and we'll try to make that video online. Thank you very much for following us, and it's always fun to have your feedback.